Hello, today you have a sub. Just a quick reminder that you are going to be working on your upper crust learning assignment, which you started on Monday with your lab partner. If you're absent, your partner should fill you in on exactly what it is that you should be doing, as well as your expectation. But I'm going to go through a quick recap just so everyone's on the same page. So to find the upper crust learning assignment, it's located right here, all right? So at this point, you and your partner should have decided if you're going to be using Blogster, Blogger, WordPress, or whatever it is that you choose to use from this list for your upper crust publication, all right? So if you scroll down, all right, you should have started and maybe even close to finishing article number 1 and article number 2. If you didn't finish them, the experiences you've had in class on Wednesday and Thursday while we made the muffins should help you reiterate what is a chemical leavening agent, and you should be able to respond to these questions and put it into an informative blog or paragraph or whatnot for your assignment. And then Article 2 talks about the mixing methods. All right, so again, you've all had experience doing that. We've reiterated the techniques. You should be able to write about them quite easily. All right. Remember, I'm focusing on pictures, YouTube clips, color. Lots of visual examples are best for this assignment. All right. Now, moving on to article number 3 and 4. So your goal today is to start with Article 3 and 4 after you have finished Article 1 and 2. So 3 and 4 talks about yeast bread, all right? So the first one, Article 3, it talks about what is fermentation, so that's the activation of yeast, and then what are the variety types of yeast. So with quick breads are quick to make, quick to bake, which is why you use baking powder and baking soda. Where with yeast breads, you obviously, the only chemical leavener you're going to use is yeast, but yeast takes a lot more time. All right, so Article 3 just talks about kind of what is yeast, the different kinds of yeast, how do you make it come alive, which is fermentation, etc. So you can use my resources here. Yeast Bread Notes has all the information you need. Remember, put it into your own words, and then you're good for Article 3. Lots of pictures, etc. Then Article number 4 is production stages of yeast bread. All right. So there are 10 stages, and what Article 4 is you're explaining how to make yeast bread. So the Yeast Bread Notes is probably your best resource, because if you reference this, all right, you'll be able to see types of yeast breads, types of yeast, all right, and it even gives you pictures, which you'll find your own, all right, more, etc. And then it says production stages for yeast bread. There are your 10 stages, and then it explains each one. Now, what you're going to do is, I've already put it into Miss Sweeney terminology. I would like you to put it into teenager terminology, your own terminology, all right? So you'll do that for Article number 4, all right? So your goal today for your class period is to finish Article 1 and 2 and start Article 3 and 4. I will give you some time next week to finish this, but just as a reminder, this is due not this coming Monday, but the following Monday. So you don't have too much more time in class, all right? If anyone has any questions, you can email me. Just do your best. Remember, you're putting it into your own words. You're not just responding to the questions. You're essentially making an article with lots of pictures, visual examples, color, etc. All right? I hope you have a great class period. Get lots done. Thank you.